Huh? Oh.
Ha! I'm definitely going to fire her this time. No.
My tequila! That's fantastic! What a great decision! Huh? Ixnay on Atherin, Kay. This is not what the doctor ordered.